Hello, we are to find the value of x plus y plus z. Solution. Let's get down the question first. Xy is equal to 100, yz equal to 200, zx is equal to 300. Let's call this equation 1, this equation 2, and this equation 3. The first thing we are going to do is to multiply the left hand side of equation 1 by 2 by 3. So that will be xy times yz times zx equal to, and also multiply the right hand side together. We have 100 times 200 times 300. Let's take it one by one. X times x, that is s squared. Y times y, that is y squared. Z times z, that is z squared, equal to 100 times 200 times 300, that is 6 million. You will see that we can rewrite this left hand side as the product of x, y, z all squared equal to 6 million. Taking positive square root of both sides, we have square root of x, y, z all squared equal to plus or minus square root of 6 million. Clearly, this bigger square root cancel out this power. We are left with x, y, z equal to plus or minus. I can rewrite this guy as square root of 1 million times square root of 6. Let's continue. X, y, z is equal to plus or minus. What is square root of 1 million? That is 1000 times square root of 6. Take note of this value, the value of x, y, z. Now, let's say we want to find the value of x. We know that x is the same thing as x, y, z divided by y, z. That is, you divide this right hand side by y, z. Y cancel y, z cancel z. We are left with x equals to x. This means that x equal to, what is x, y, z? That is exactly what we have here. Plus or minus 1000 times root 6 divided by, what is y, z? Let me show you. It's from the question. Y, z equals to 200. So we have 200. This implies that x is equal to plus or minus 1000 divided by 200, that is 5, times square root of 6. This is the value of x. Take note of it. Similarly, as we did for x, let us do the same thing for y. Y is equal to the product of x, y, z divided by what? That would be x and z, x, z. This implies that y is equal to, what is x, y, z? That's exactly what we have here. Plus or minus 1000 times square root of 6 divided by x, z is what? That's from the question. X seed is the same thing as zx, 300. So let's plug in that. So we have 300. Y is equal to plus or minus 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We are left with 10 times square root of 6 divided by 3. This is the value of y. Take note of it. Similarly, as we did for y, let's also do the same thing for z. So now, z is equal to what? The product of x, y, z over xy now. because x will cancel x, y will cancel y. You'll be left with z equals to z. This implies that z is equal to product of x, y, z, that is plus or minus 1000 root 6 plus or minus 1000 root 6 divided by what is xy. Let me show you. Xy is simply 100. So we have 100. Z is now equal to plus or minus 1000 divided by 100. That is simply 10 times square root of 6. This is the value of Z. As a result of this, therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to, let's factor out this plus or minus into, what is x? X is 5 root 6. 5 root 6 plus, what is the value of y? Y is 10 root 6 over 3. 10 root 6 over 3 plus, what is z? Z is 10 root 6. So we have 10 root 6. Close the bracket. This equal to plus or minus into 5 root 6 plus 10 root 6. That is 15 root 6 plus 10 root 6 divided by 3. You will see that we can take the LCM here. This equal to plus or minus. The LCM is 3. We have 3 over 3 divided by 1. That is 3. 3 times 15. We have 45 times square root of 6 plus 3 divided by 3. That is 1. What times 10? We have 10 root 6. This equal to plus or minus 45 root 6 plus 10 root 6. That is 55 root 6 divided by 3. That means the value of x plus y plus z is equals to plus or minus 55 root 6 over 3. This is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.